Hello and welcome guys, and welcome to this post-examination vlog. And yes, majority of students have completed their CMA examination in the month of December, and some of the students are due to give their examinations in the month of January 2022. Now the question is, sir, those students who have already given their examination in December 2021, what are the next steps for them? What are the future course of actions for them? Before I come on to the future course of action, let me reassure you that yes, many of you have faced certain technical glitches during the examination. There were certain mishappenings during the examination whereby your keyboard was not working or your submit button was not working, and trust me, all these grievances have reached to the Institute of Cost Accountants of India, and definitely some tangible steps are being taken at the level of the institute for rectifying all these situations. Now the question is, sir, what now? What should we do now? Now we have to wait for the result, obviously, but during the time when we wait for our results, so what should be our future course of action? So in this particular video, I'll demonstrate certain future steps which you should take now, and depending upon which group have you given in the month of December of intermediate and final, I am going to demonstrate what all can you do in the coming 2 months. Okay, so I bifurcated my discussion into 4 parts, guys. For intermediate students, for final students, for intermediate students who've given only one group during the last tenure, and the intermediate student who've given both the groups in the last examination, final students who have given one group, and final students who have given both the groups. First of all, talking about those intermediate students who have given one group during December 2021. Now guys, the way forward is pretty clear for all of you. There are 3 categories of students whom I would recognize in this particular step, in this particular category, which are students who are very confident that yes, their paper are going to be cleared and they have done well in the examination. Category 1. Category 2. Students who are 50-50. So they say that, sir, direct tax paper was little tricky, was little out of the blue. The paper pattern was a little tricky. Therefore, we might or might not. We have done well, but we might or might not clear. Law paper was little difficult, little out of the box. So we might or might not clear. So those students who have 50-50% chances in their minds that they might or might not clear the examination. And the third category students who are pretty much sure that no, sir, we could not attempt the paper well due to whatever reason, and we are almost certain that our result might not be to our favor. So guys, the third category student should obviously start studying for group 1 again. Please start studying for group 1 again. Please pick up the subjects. Please pick up direct tax. Please pick up financial accounting, costing, law. Start revising it, start doing it afresh. This time, forget about the weightage pattern which has been followed in the past examination, and give equal weightage to all the chapters, and according to that particular scenario, restart your preparations, guys. Do not wait for the results when in your head you are pretty clear that yes, you might not get a favorable outcome in that situation, guys. Please restart your group 1 preparations. Same holds true for final group 1 students. So yes, if you are reasonably sure that your result might not go in your favor, then guys, definitely start studying for group 1 right now. Start revising all the concepts, start studying all the concepts from the scratch, start preparing once again for group 1. But for those students who are confident, or even if they are 50-50 sure that one of their groups is going to get cleared, then guys, undoubtedly those students are highly recommended that they should not waste their time and start studying for the second group. They should start studying for the second group, either for intermediate or final. They should start preparing for the second group. Start preparing the subject which is static subject, which is not a dynamic subject. So for example, if you've done your group 3 of final, if you've given exams of group 3 of final, then in the group 4 of final, you can start with CFR. No changes are expected in CFR, but do not start with GST because GST keeps on amending, right? Similarly, for intermediate, if you've given group 1, then you can start the static subjects of group 2, which is cost and FM. You can start with cost and FM. You can start with corporate accounts, but not with GST as of now, because GST is a dynamic subject. So that subject might undergo a change over a period of time. So preference should always be given to static subjects first. That is how you should plan your next few weeks. And for the students who have given both the groups in the last attempt, either for intermediate or final, guys, you certainly have a bit of breather. First, I'll talk to the final students who have given both the groups. Guys, you've given both the groups. Now, I think whatever time is left, please find some CA firms, CMA firms, some industries, some companies, some organization, some partnership firm, some organization where you can gain some practical experience about what happens on ground. Be it related to TDS, GST, accounts, or any sphere of finance, please get some practical knowledge now. Now is the time when you need to step into the corporate world, and to step into the corporate world after qualifying CMA final, guys, you need to have certain amount of practical knowledge. But yes, if you've given both the groups and you're not 50-50, you're not 100% sure that yes sir, most likely our group will clear, but you are at a very, very dicey situation, then guys, start studying again. Do not waste even a single day. Start studying again. I know easier said than done. Start studying again is a easier phrase for me to tell you, but you'll take a lot of effort to start it. But guys, trust me, next few days you won't have that much of energy levels, enthusiasm, and that much of zeal to study again. So to come back to that momentum, you need time. Start taking your time from tomorrow itself. Start taking the time. And for the students who have given both the groups of intermediate, guys, your next step is final. So yes, if you are 50% sure, or you are more than 50% sure that yes, your groups are going to be cleared, then you can of course start any one subject of the finals. Of course, before your final examination, you are going to do your practical training, which will be an 18 months practical training. But guys, nonetheless, starting with at least one of the subjects, which is a static subject like law or costing, will not harm you. It will, in effect, eventually it will benefit you. So start with one of the subjects of final if you have given both the groups of intermediate. Alright, to assist all of you in your preparations, Bright Vision Academy is coming up with face-to-face batch of Group 2, Intermediate Group 2. CMA Intermediate Group 2 batch starts tomorrow face-to-face at our Lakshmi Nagar branch. The classes will be held exclusively for CMA Intermediate students by our esteemed faculty. Audit will be taken by myself, accounts by corporate accounts by Intikhab sir, cost and FM by Imran Ansari sir, Dr. Vardhan Suman for GST, and Imran sir will be taking your OMSM as well. So these are the faculties. The salient features of this particular batch will be, guys, along with face-to-face batch, you will also be given a virtual backup of all the classes. So yes, after studying in the classroom, you can go back to your home and start the chapter again if you wish to. If you wish to revise, then virtual backup will be given to you. So along with face-to-face classes, you will be given the virtual backup of those face-to-face classes. Then weekly test series will be organized by a esteemed panel of faculties. Guys, let me tell you, all these faculties have been teaching exclusively to CMA students for over a decade now. You can just take trial classes for 1 week and feel the difference for yourself. Then exclusively of CMA, I have already told you, 100% study mat of Institute of Cost Accountants of India will be covered. Past examination questions will be covered. Daily doubts solving sessions will be organized. If you are taking our virtual batch only, then guys, the daily doubt solving sessions will be held either over WhatsApp or calling. One unique feature which I'll be telling about this batch is, guys, Bright Vision Academy has developed a state-of-art computer lab, which will give you exactly the exam-like feature, exactly the exam-like environment to practice your examination papers just in the environment in which you'll be sitting in your examination center. So we have created a computer lab whereby we'll be giving you certain training, certain tips how to improve your typing speed, how to solve the examination in exactly the same pattern as what will be coming in the examination. So that is a salient feature, unique feature which we have developed currently. So please join the batch and take most benefit of this particular facility which is being extended to you by our esteemed faculties. So yes, these are the salient features of this particular batch which is starting tomorrow, 9 a.m. Lakshmi Nagar, Bright Vision Academy, Delhi. All the students who are located in rest of the India, they can take benefit of our virtual batches. And please call on this particular number and get all the details of these batches which are starting. Yes, some of you might ask that, sir, are the batches in Hindi or English? The answer is the batches are in Hindi as of now. So yes, guys, let's move forward. Let's look forward and let's conquer the next upcoming attempt, which is June 2022 attempt. And for the January 2022 attempt, students, all the very best to you. So yes, on that positive note, hope to see you tomorrow at Bright Vision Academy. All the very best and happy studying.